Plumbers use a bunch of different tools to unclog drains depending on what's causing the blockage, and knowing which one to pick can save you a ton of stress. So, like, if you're dealing with a kitchen sink that's all clogged up because of grease or food gunk, a lye-based drain cleaner can help break it down. Just be careful with those because they're pretty harsh and can mess with your pipes if you overuse them. If that doesn't work, grab a plunger and give it a few solid pumps to try pushing the clog loose. For tougher stuff, plumbers often use a drain snake, which is basically a long, flexible cable with different heads, like cutters or spaders, that can slice through or pull out the clog. Toilets and main sewer lines usually need snaking with those specialized heads since they're bigger and tougher blockages. When tree roots sneak into your pipes, those cutters come in handy to chop the roots up, but you also gotta treat the roots with copper sulfate to stop them from growing back. Just remember, that won't clear the clog itself. For really bad clogs, some plumbers use high-pressure water jet nozzles that blast through everything. Another trick is using a sewer bag attached to a hose, which uses water pressure to push the blockage through the pipe instead of pulling it out. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to unclog drains is using harsh chemical drain cleaners all the time without considering pipe damage. Switch to natural options or mechanical tools sometimes. Another common issue is ignoring slow drains until they become full clogs. Regular maintenance like using a plunger or snaking early can save you from bigger headaches. Lastly, not identifying the root cause, like tree roots or grease buildup, makes fixes temporary because you're just treating symptoms. Make sure to get the right tool or treatment for what's really clogging your pipes. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local plumbers and other contractors without the hassle. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to connect with people who actually need their help and get steady work.